Hey guys, this is Ray with PhoneArena. We're live at IFA 2013 and this here is the Asus Transformer Book Trio. Asus calls this device a 3-in-1 because it can basically act like a tablet, like this. It's an Android tablet. Let me power this thing on. There it goes. You can dock it into its keyboard dock and it basically becomes a laptop, and then you can also separately connect the tablet, the keyboard dock to a monitor of some sort, and it can act separately from the tablet. So this keyboard dock here is actually a desktop PC. You just have to connect it to a monitor and it becomes your desktop PC. For now, we'll just dock this thing here. It's also a dual boot device. As you can see, it features Windows 8 operating system and Android. The Android part actually runs in the tablet, inside the tablet, and the Windows part is all running in the keyboard dock. The design of this device is quite premium, is very heavy, about 1.7 kilograms, so it's quite heavy, but also we really enjoy the high quality materials that Asus has used in the making of this device. It's also quite thick actually, but fortunately we at least get full-sized USB here on the side, a 3.5mm jack. Let's see what we have on the right side. We have this monitor out port here, another USB port, and HDMI. So pretty solid in the connectivity department. The screen here is 11.6 inches big and it has 1080p resolution. Not extremely high, but still pixel density is pretty high. So we think that in terms of density and overall resolution, the screen is just fine. It's a very high quality display. Now, in terms of storage, the device offers 1 terabyte of hard disk space. It also has 4 gigabytes of RAM. The Windows part here is powered by an Intel Core processor up to i7 in configuration, while the tablet part, which is running Android, is powered by the Intel Atom 2760 processor clocked at 1.6 gigahertz. So the tablet itself has Atom inside. This is how it looks like. It's running very quickly here, no hints of lag whatsoever. We really enjoy the performance of this device, and it's still a 1080p screen, so pretty good performance with the Atom processor. Once you dock it to the keyboard dock, you can immediately switch to Windows mode just by pressing this button right here, and we have changed to the Windows 8 operating system. So it's Windows 8, so you can install all of your third-party legacy software and pretty much everything. This is the standard modern UI with the option to switch to the more traditional desktop user interface. Unfortunately, you cannot access the Windows 8 operating system once you undock the tablet because, as we said, all of the Windows internals and software is right here in the dock. Once you undock your tablet, you're basically left with your Android 4.2 experience here, which is slightly personalized by Asus. You see some custom icons here, some custom design elements, but Asus has kept an overall simplistic approach when it comes to personalization of the software. And that was pretty much our first hands-on look with the Asus Transformer Book Trio, high-end dual boot tablet product which can work as a tablet, as a laptop, and even as a desktop PC. If you'd like to learn more about it, be sure to check us out at phonearena.com.